Hey everybody, I'm Bill Owen from Mnpctech. Welcome to the reveal video of the official Metro Exodus gaming PC and case mod. You know, it's been a real labor of love that has quickly turned into one of my favorite game-themed PC builds of all time. The exterior of the PC utilizes authentic Russian-era controls, switches, lights, labels, and gauges. Everything has been aged and weathered to give the PC a look and feel of being discovered in an isolated or an abandoned factory in Russia. The single piston steam engine effect is powered by remote control, so only the engineer and operator of this PC can create the effect. What's the future of the Exodus gaming PC build? Well, you have an opportunity to own it. All you have to do is go to the link in my video description and get all the details on how you can enter a giveaway for it. And the link also includes all of the hardware specifications and more details on the build, so good luck. Special thanks to everyone at 4A Games, Deep Silver, Corsair, Nvidia, and my crew, Cheapskate, Randy, and of course, Peter Connie for producing my videos. If you're new to my YouTube channel and like the content that you're seeing, hit the subscription and hit the bell so you're notified when I've got another custom PC build project to share with you. So good luck to whoever enters this contest. You're going to own something truly unique and original.